everyone, welcome to another Take and Make Craft with Miss Meg. Today we're going to make Valentine's Day poppers. So all you need is the kit from the library, which has tissue paper, toilet paper tubes, some stickers, and some ribbon. I also recommend that you have something to put inside your popper so that you can give it to somebody and they have something to open. So we have some little origami here, and I have a little Happy Valentine's Day note that I'm going to put into my popper. You can put candy into, just make sure that whoever you give it to gets it right away and opens it. You'll also need some tape today, or if you'd rather glue or glue stick, but I'm going to use tape. All right, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take whatever you're giving to someone. So if it's candy, I have a little origami figure, and you want to put that in the toilet paper tube first, because you're going to wrap the tissue paper around it like you're wrapping a present, sort of, and that way when somebody opens it, their little treat will be inside. So I've got the origami in there, and I'm going to take my little note and I'm going to tuck that in there as well. It might be harder if you have little candy, or if you end up using like the stickers, you can put those in there too, but just do your best to keep it all in there. And then you're going to take the tissue paper. Now the tissue paper is half of a piece of tissue paper that I cut in half long, and then we're going to fold it again, so it's a kind of a double sheet of tissue paper here. Try to get it even if you can. I know tissue paper can be a little weird to work with. And then again, give everything good creases if possible. Oops, come on over. And then you're going to want to take it so the two flaps are at the bottom. Let's see if you can see that. So the two flap sides are at the bottom. And you're going to take your toilet paper tube with your your little treats in there. You're going to put that at the edge of it. And then you're just going to roll the toilet paper in the tissue paper. You kind of want to try to make it even so both sides have about the same. So I'm going to move him in just a little bit. Okay. And you keep rolling and rolling until you have a nice tube, and kind of flatten out this end a little bit. And then this is where you could glue or tape. I'm going to use tape. It's just easier, I think. So we're going to tape it there. Maybe tape a little bit more just so that it stays closed. All right. Now, the two ends, you're going to use the ribbons, and you're going to kind of twist the end like that. And you're going to take the ribbon and you're going to tie that around the twist. And you want to make sure that you tie it really tight. So I'm going to do one, I'm going to tie it again. Okay? And then you're going to do the same thing to the other side. So I'm going to kind of, and I'm going to twist it a little bit. And I'm going to take my ribbon and I'm going to tie it. So I'm going to tie it once, I'm going to flip it, and I'm going to tie it again. And that is really all there is to it, except for decorating. So I'm going to take some of the stickers that come in the kit, and I am going to decorate it. You could probably write on it with a Sharpie, so you could write to mom, or to your friend, or whoever you want to give this to. But I'm going to put some stickers on it. I think I'm going to use some of the bigger stickers down here, kind of to cover the tape a little bit. And then we'll do one of these nice raised ones here, like that. And then On Valentine's Day, all they have to do is tear this edge off, and since it's tissue paper, it'll come right off, and they have their little treat. And that is how you make a Valentine's Day topper. I hope everybody has a great holiday. We'll see you next time. Bye!